audio enthusiasts. As we're more than halfway through 2024, we're excited to introduce the brand new PFFB A70 mono amplifier. This amplifier is carefully designed based on your feedback, offering powerful output and an advanced cooling system to ensure robust and stable sound quality. It also supports full range and sub-mode switching, making it adaptable to various needs. With these features, the A70 Mono is undoubtedly a versatile player in your audio system. We're confident it will deliver an exceptional sound experience. If you're interested, let's dissect it together. Now, let's dive into the A70 Mono's design and core features. This product features a fresh design upgrade. The front panel now has two large knobs in a vibrant orange-yellow, which perfectly complement the matching feet at the bottom. The overall look is both modern and eye-catching. It features an all-aluminum body with a meticulous glass, bead-blasted finish, giving it a sleek black surface that's smooth to the touch. This design not only highlights the product's premium feel, but also significantly enhances its durability. A70 Mono also comes with an efficient cooling system, featuring ventilation holes on the sides to ensure excellent heat dissipation inside the chassis. Inside, it's also equipped with oversized heat sinks for even better thermal management. This design maintains stable high-power output during extended use while effectively reducing heat, ensuring excellent cooling performance. Based on feedback from T1 Pro users, we've improved the indicator lights by adding an acrylic light diffusing design. This reduces brightness while maintaining a high-tech look. This upgrade ensures that the lights won't disrupt a quiet atmosphere during nighttime use. We greatly appreciate all the valuable feedback and support from our audio enthusiasts. The A70 Mono features two easy-to-use switches. The switch on the left is for powering the unit on and off, and when flipped to the upward position, it also activates the 12V trigger mode. On the right is the XLR and RCA switch. This design is both simple and practical, making it easy to operate. The left knob adjusts the crossover frequency for the passive subwoofer. When the subwoofer mode is activated, you can use this knob to enhance the bass effect. Rotate to the right for better bass. Please note, this knob is only for adjusting the passive subwoofer. The knob on the right is used to adjust the overall volume. The design of the knob is in response to customer feedback about the channel imbalance in the A70. To address this issue, when using two A70 mono amplifiers with the current preamp, the volume adjustment on the power amplifier allows for balancing the volume of the left and right speakers, thereby correcting the imbalance of the preamp's potentiometer. Let's check out the back panel. It features XLR and RCA input connections. The RCA input has a plus 6 dB gain option, so you can boost the audio signal. This helps improve sound quality or fix weak signal issues. It also has an active subwoofer output with an adjustable crossover frequency, supporting sub-bass frequencies from 40 Hz to 200 Hz. The frequency knob is specifically for adjusting the active subwoofer, automatically cutting off frequencies above 200 Hz to ensure clean bass performance. For deeper bass performance, turn the knob to the left. When the crossover frequency is set to 40 Hz, frequencies above 40 Hz will be cut off, providing a pure sub-bass output. To ensure compatibility with 12V trigger outputs from other brands, we've included a 12V trigger feature in the A70 Mono. This allows it to work seamlessly with other devices, providing a more convenient control experience. Please note that the trigger function on the A70 Mono only works when the unit is powered on. In addition, the power input supports DC 24V, 48V power supply, and it is recommended to use a 48V5A power supply, which is able to provide up to 300 W of power to ensure stable performance. Next, let's take a look at the important features hidden on the bottom panel of the A70 Mono. First, we need a pin. Here, we can choose between full range mode or SUB mode. The full range mode is suitable for use under 1.0, 2.0, 2.1, 5.1, and other hi-fi and home theater systems. Sub mode is suitable for connecting passive subwoofers, and is particularly suitable for use with passive subwoofers in systems such as 2.1, 5.1, and 7.1. Select full range mode or sub mode according to system requirements. Later in the video, we'll demonstrate how to use the full range and SUB functions when setting up 2.0, 2.1 home theater systems. Next, let's go over the A70 mono specs, which are what audio enthusiasts care about most. The two conditions for the FTC rating are a room temperature of more than 25 degrees and the use of a continuous signal for more than 5 minutes. At an indoor temperature of 26 degrees, the A70 mono lost less than 1 W at 300 W of power for 5 minutes of operation using a continuous signal, and less than 2 W for more than 10 minutes of operation. And it can work continuously without loss with an audio signal of 300 W. This ensures strong power and a rich dynamic range during music playback, meeting the demands for long-term high-quality audio performance. The speaker impedance range is 2 to 8 ohms, and it uses a PBTL circuit design. It can support 2 ohms low-impedance speakers. This design ensures wider compatibility and stable performance. With a distortion rate of less than 0.001%, the A70 mono maintains exceptional sound clarity and transparency even at high volumes. This ultra-low distortion rate means the audio signal is almost free from interference, ensuring that every detail and note is conveyed accurately. It provides a pure listening experience, preserving the nuances and texture of the music even at very high volumes. The SYNAD ratio is 96 dB, but overall performance is slightly reduced due to the inclusion of the volume potentiometer. This design might slightly affect the signal-to-noise ratio, but it offers more flexible volume control, enhancing the overall user experience. With a SNR of up to 116 dB, it means there is a significant difference between the audio signal and background noise. The high SNR ensures that background noise is almost imperceptible, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the nuances and depth of the music for the purest, most authentic listening experience. With these specs, you'll enjoy an exceptional music experience. Its unique performance excels in power, sound clarity, and audio purity, perfectly meeting the high standards of audio enthusiasts. In the next section, let's explore the internal structure of the A70 mono. We need to disassemble the unit. These are the tools we'll need. Pull the 2 knobs off first. These 4 screws unscrew. And these 2. Then pull it out from this position. First, A70 mono uses a 4-layer circuit board design. This setup separates the power supply and audio signals to avoid interference, resulting in cleaner sound. Compared to standard 2-layer boards, the 4-layer design more effectively reduces noise and signal interference, giving you clearer sound quality. This part uses a PFFB circuit, which reduces distortion in the sound, making the audio quality clearer and more authentic. In simple terms, it makes the sound you hear closer to the original audio effect. In addition, to reduce the cost of replacing op amps, the A70 mono is equipped with a replaceable tuning op amp chip in E5532. This design optimizes ease of maintenance and upgrades. These two 63V3300F Rubicon capacitors are high-capacity components often used in power circuits. They can store a lot of electrical energy, helping to stabilize the voltage and reduce noise, which improves the performance and reliability of electronic devices. In the amplifier, these capacitors keep the power supply stable, which helps maintain clear and consistent sound. These are Nichicon capacitors. This is professional high-power, single-mode inductor, which can support greater power output. In simple terms, it can handle more power, allowing the device to run steadily even under heavy loads. The red ones are capacitors from the Aiyima brand. Aiyima capacitors are known for their high quality and stability, and they are widely used in audio and electronic equipment. They play a key role in the circuit, such as filtering, stabilizing voltage, and reducing noise. The red Aiyima capacitors not only offer excellent performance, but also enhance the overall reliability of the circuit and improve sound quality. An A70 mono's cooling performance is especially impressive. Compared to other products, it's a bit heavier because we've included larger heat sinks to optimize cooling performance. Testing showed that when using a 48V5A power supply, the device runs at a temperature of 41.3 degrees Celsius at full power, achieving an output of 300 W. Therefore, the 48V5A configuration is more than sufficient. A70 mono's excellent circuit design and efficient cooling system ensure stability during full power operation, allowing you to enjoy your music without worrying about overheating issues. Next, let's demonstrate how to replace the op-amp chip. On the screen is a replaceable op-amp chip. First, we'll need a pair of tweezers and the replacement chip. Carefully grab the chip vertically with the tweezers and gently pull it up, then set it aside. When changing the chip, make sure the dot on the chip matches the notch on the board. Then align the 8 pins and gently press it down. Finally, before reassembling, we need to power it on to ensure that the chip is functioning properly. When you see the indicator light on, it's working. Next, we went to build a 2.0 home theater scene with the A70 mono. The 2.0 system offers stereo sound effects. The sound quality is characterized by clarity, separation, and balance, making it ideal for environments with less space for enjoying music and dialogue in movies. An Aiyima 2 A70 monos, T1 Pro, and a pair of passive speakers are required. Very simple to make up a 2.0 home theater scene. We need to put both A70 monos into full range mode. Let's show how to connect the cables. In the current 2.0 home theater setup, both A70 mono amplifiers are operating in full range mode, so the subwoofer cutoff frequency knob will not be functional. The T1 Pro uses a 12V trigger cable to synchronize the operation of two A70 mono amplifiers. Therefore, it's recommended to set both main volume controls to maximum to avoid any imbalance between the left and right channels. Let's enjoy the music.
You see,
Next, we will set up a 2.1 home theater system using the A70 mono amplifiers. We need the Aiyima T1 Pro preamp for this setup. The reason for using the T1 Pro is that it has a 12V trigger, which can simultaneously trigger 3 A70 mono amplifiers. We also need 1, 2, or 3 A70 mono amplifiers, 1 pair of passive speakers, and 1 passive subwoofer. This creates a 2.1 home theater system. The A70 mono amplifiers have full range and sub modes. For a 2.1 setup, we need to set 1 A70 mono to sub mode and 2 A70 monos to full range mode. First, set these 2 amplifiers to full range mode. Set this A70 mono to sub mode. Let's show how to connect the wires. Now let's listen to some music. Be aware that the T1 Pro triggers the A70 mono with both A70 monos turned on. Turn on the T1 Pro again, and then turn it off. A linked operation can then be formed. Turn the volume knob on both A70 monos in full range mode to the maximum, in order to avoid an imbalance between the left and right channel sound. To fully realize the potential of the A70 mono amplifiers in a high-end home theater system, we will integrate them into a setup to achieve an exceptional audio-visual experience. First, for the setup, connect the 6 A70 mono amplifiers to the center speaker, subwoofer, left front speaker, right front speaker, left rear surround speaker, and right rear surround speaker of the home theater system to the corresponding speakers. This setup gives each channel its own high power, improving sound quality and effects, and ensuring stable signal and high-quality sound. Each A70 mono amplifier is designed for a single channel, handling and driving each speaker independently. This design avoids cross-channel interference, enhancing soundstage accuracy and breadth, making the sound more detailed and realistic. The high-voltage power supply and strong output capability of the A70 mono optimize dynamic performance, ensuring rich and layered sound effects. The modular design of the A70 mono allows for flexible expansion based on needs. When additional channels or enhanced system performance are required, simply add more A70 mono amplifiers. This flexibility reduces future upgrade costs and allows users to personalize and expand the system while maintaining optimal performance. The A70 Mono features an all-aluminum alloy body and an optimized cooling system, ensuring stability even during prolonged high-power operation. The efficient cooling design guarantees long-term stable performance and adapts to the needs of various home theater environments. This high-end setup fully leverages the core advantages of the A70 Mono home theater system, offering users an exceptional audio-visual experience. Precise audio distribution, optimized dynamic performance, flexible expandability, and customizable adjustments combine to create an immersive cinematic experience. Great! We hope this video provides more inspiration for your hi-fi exploration journey. You are always the best guides for amplifier improvement and innovation. Please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions to help us continue improving. Let's work together to advance in the hi-fi field. Explore hi-fi, never end. Aiyima will continue to provide high-quality service as always. That's all for today's video. See you next time.